Hello everybody, so welcome in this video. So in this video, we are going to continue what we have left in the past video. Okay, so let's get started. Let's come to the document, and in this document, what we did is I believe this, yes. So sign out button we did, so that once we click on this, we have this my books. If I click on my books, the user comes to my books page, and settings we don't have settings page, then help and support also we don't have, but that we will create later. Let's come here and see what is this. So on page blah blah blah, let's copy this. We want the save icon, not the save text, so I will copy this. Before that, I will click on keep and paste it and hit enter. So basically what we are saying here is, if I click on open page and open, so this one, instead of having a save text here, we want the save icon. That's what we discussed, right, when we were creating a document. So I'm just waiting for this. uh, let's come here and let me update the save button to use a icon instead of text. So that is what it understood, and that is what we wanted. So quickly it will start editing that, and it is using a svg icon. It is not using that icon, it is using a svg icon. And I believe it removed 2 lines and added 15 more lines, and there we go. You see this icon is there. Now we don't have that save text, we have a save icon. Like, why I want that? Because the text doesn't look good for me, icon is preferred. Okay, so yes, basically we have completed this as well. Let's get back here in document and see what else we want to do. So create a new section of user settings. User can update the info, which is name. We don't want here, we will add a dash here, no comma. So user can update the info, which is name, email, phone, etc. Inside this, create one tab of security where the user can update the password. Allow user to upload the profile picture, and also the same picture will be displayed in the nav bar. So this is what we want. So we'll copy this. We don't have to make any changes in the instruction. So I will copy this, come back here, and enter an email password required. Okay, let it be. So I will paste this, and I will hit this one, and if anything is running on top, this will be as a queue. But I believe whatever is done here, it's already done. It is asking for the login, so we will log in this cursor inbuilt browser and click on sign in. So at least this cursor AI will go and check what exactly we asked it to do. It has done that or not. So yes, it is done. Sometime I think it behave weird, like whether after doing also it still asks like, dude, I don't know whether I did or not, can I go and check please? It's like, okay, go and check. And it checked, and it also took our next prompt, which was in the queue, which says we need a section of user settings. So basically when the user will click on setting, it will go to that page. Let's see whether the cursor understand that and creates the setting navigation from that drop down automatically, or we have to tell that, dude, like, we have a setting button here. When the user click on that, please redirect to that setting page we just created now. Okay, see, as I told you, right, let's see whether it is identifying that setting page is there in that nav bar or not. It actually did, so it is doing this now. Now let me update the header component to link to the setting page. So header component is this one, the demo. Inside this, when we click on the setting page, it will get redirected to that page. So basically it knows what to do and what we want. Okay, this is a nice one. Again, I am impressed. Cool. So right now in front of me, what it shows is looking little off, but let's see in the real browser whether it is the same thing which we can see there or not by the time it is testing it. So okay, we will come back to our real browser, and then I will click on settings, and yes, here also I see the same thing. It's okay. We can fix this. It also have the option of or paste image URL, then full name. Then email address is email cannot be changed. Oh my god. This is literally restricting me that I can't change the email address, and this is the phone number. And we have a security tab where we can change the password. For that we need the current password, we need the new password, and then we need the confirm password as well. Okay, now it is fixing this as well. The UI, it's going and analyzing the UI and fixing the UI by itself. So if you see now, it is not there. But what I think now, after looking at this, it's okay, we can keep this link here. So if someone wants to put the image from the URL, it's okay to be there. Okay, so let's remove this. But I think email address should be editable. So I will just tell this is let user edit the email. I let it be in queue. Once this is finished, it's finished. It took that. Let user edit the email ID. Okay, let's see that. Cool. So now we can see the email address is editable now. So let's put the name. I will put my name here. Karan Khandekar, and I will put my phone number as well. My phone number is, if you want to call me, you can call me on this number. I'm just joking. 9876543210 is not my phone number. So you can't call in this number. Cool. So I will save this info now. And if I refresh this, let me say whether it is being saved or not. So name is being saved, but phone number is not being saved. So let's go to localhost and see whether we have the option of saving the phone number. If I go to users here, so email, uh, password created at username, profile picture, all these things we have, but we don't have the phone number. That's why it is not saving. Where it will save, right? There is no place to save. So where the code will go and save the phone number. So for that, we have to come back to cursor and say we don't have a place to save the phone number in database. Please create a place to save the phone number. Hit enter and wait until this queue is being published. Oh, but by the way, I don't think so we have to do that, because you see in this above one, setting.jsx, email address, phone number, phone.data. I think something happened here. Now let me update the profile update handler to include email address. So that is also happening. Now we don't have a place to save the phone number in database. Please create the place to save the phone number. Okay, let me add the phone number field in the database schema and update the backend to handle it. So let's come back to the local server, and right now we don't have the place to see the phone number being saved. I will refresh this, and there we go. We have a place now, phone number. Cool. So now we can save the phone number as well. Shall I give my real phone number? So my phone number is again 9876543210, which again you can't call me on this. Basically, in one of the video tutorial, I gave my phone number and I started getting WhatsApp messages, call. So from that time onwards, I stopped using my real phone number here. Okay. So if I save this now, let's come to database, refresh this. Still, we are not able to save the phone number here. There might be something going on in the background. Let's see what is happening here. So yes, the phone number field is created. We saw that in the database. Now it has to go and map this in the server.js file, so that when we click on the save button, the phone number gets saved in the database as well. For that, as it is a Laravel project, a lot of things has to be done. So let the Claude Sonnet 4.5 do the magic. And there we go. We have a lot of green ticks here, which we can see the database integration, the profile, phone number, all those things is done. So let's come back to the browser. I will refresh this and let me try adding the phone number one more time. And I will click on save. It says like profile updated, and it logged out. It logged me out completely. Why? Let's see. Maybe there is a requirement or something like that. Let's enter the username and password one more time and click on sign in. Now you can see my name is here. I will come to setting and boom, the phone number is being saved. If I click on save changes again, it saves the changes. Let's wait and watch. Am I logged out? No, I'm not. And if I come to the database now, if I refresh this, you can see the phone number is here now. You cannot see the password because it is hashed, and anyways the password is visible for you there. Okay, now let's see whether the username, so sorry, now let's see whether the user can upload the picture or not. So I'll click on upload photo. It comes here. I will go to desktop, and in desktop I have this picture of mine, and I will click on open. This is what the path is, and I will click on save. Fail to upload profile picture. Okay, so this is not getting updated. Okay, or paste the URL. So let's try with the URL here. Visit my LinkedIn profile because I want this like linkedin.com and all those things. From here, if I click on open image in new tab, what it is showing now, yes, this is some link where I can try this. I will paste the link here. Oh, it came now. And if I save this, yes, it is being saved, and you can see my name here as well. But if I don't up, if I upload the picture using this upload button, it's not working, right? So user cannot upload the picture from computer, but the URL upload is working. Hit enter. Wait and watch. Okay, so now it says like perfect. I have added comprehensive logic and improvements. Now let's check and all. So we'll check this now. If it is working, it's working, or else we will fix this specific issue in some later video. Okay, so I will come back here. I will refresh this. I see this. It is still loading, and some planning next steps are going on. We'll see. I will click on upload photo. I will click on my picture. I will click on here. So image loaded. Click save to changes. And if I click on save, it still says failed uploading. Okay. But if I take this URL and if I refresh this now, it is gone. And if I add this URL and click save, it is being saved. And if I refresh this, yet yes, it holds the URL. So for now, we will go with this. Once our project is completed, we will come back here and we'll fix this issue. Okay. Because now I don't want to waste time just fixing one error, where we have one more thing to get solved, which is our URL modification. So I will copy this URL modification, and I will come here and say URL modification. In URL, let not show the book ID and page ID, instead show the book name and page name. So you remember where exactly it came from. So if I go to my books again, and here if I click on open, here it says like book to books slash two slash pages, and if I open this page, it says like pages slash two. So basically it is giving the ID. So I will come back to my books and I will hit this prompt, and instead of this processing, I will just hit one more time return, and this will force the queue to get started. Okay, so just waiting. This is my last prompt for this video, and with this I think we are good to go with the app. So we will do one more test check immediately right after this, and then we will go with our next step, which I will tell you at the end of this video what we are going to do next. Okay. So updating routes to use slug instead of IDs. Routes is where the URL is created in the Laravel project, and it is updating the routes. You see this, just to change the number, which is ID in the URL, to a name of the book and the page. There are so many changes which are going. I am literally waiting from last 2 3 minutes. It is just making the changes, and there are a lot to do, right? Just to change the ID to the name in the URL. Okay, so it says that the work is completed. Let's test. Uh, because when it was testing, I saw that it logged out, and when it was trying to log in by itself, the login was getting failed. So let's see whether we are able to log in or not. So I will click on sign in, and yes, fail to sign in is the message which we are receiving here. Okay, so it is saying that found the issue. So the testing, what the cursor is doing by itself, in that testing, it was able to log in. So let's try with our side now. Sign in. Yes, yes, we are able to sign in. Cool. So yeah, in this way, I believe we have created this app in and out. Let's see few changes here and there what we can do, and that I will do it uh, internally. I will not record that, but in the next video, I will show you how exactly to upload this project into a real server. But before that, we need a real server. So in the next video, I will show you how we can buy the hosting and domain using Hostinger. So see you in the next one.